Hello and welcome back to another video of Python 2020. In last 4 video, you have seen how to set up Selenium in Java Eclipse. Also, you have seen basic steps and how can we type data from Excel to backpage. And also we have seen how can we handle backtable. And in the last video, you have seen how can we save web table as a CSV file. And also you have seen how can we save screenshot. Today in this video, we will see how can we send email with attachment. So this video also part of our Java Selenium project. In this video, we will see how can we send email with attachment. So here we will attach extracted file. In the last video, you have seen how can we save CSV file. So in this video, we will use as a attachment that file. In my next video, I show you how can we integrate all parts. Okay, before go ahead, it is request to you if you like the content of this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. Go ahead and let's start the video. So this is my Java Eclipse. First of all, we have to download jar file. Here I am not using Maven project, so we have to download jar files. Okay, so go on Chrome and type itext jar files. Okay, you can see here, come down and here this is the latest one. So we will download this zip file. Okay. Now like click. Here you can see timing is starting. And now uh, our jar file has downloaded. Okay. And next also we have to download javax jar files. Right. Javax mail. Okay. Go to the second link. And here you can see this is the javax doc this jar file. So we have to download this first one. Where is jar? We have to download that one only. This Java docs, Java source jar, this one. Okay, and this one, two, three, three, one, two, three. This jar file we have to download. Okay, this link I will mention in the description. Okay. Now go to the downloads. Here you can see this jar. This is the files we have downloaded. Okay, now go to the Eclipse, right click and go to the build path and configure build path. Now path, class path. Now add external jars. Go to the downloads. Okay, and you have to extract this. Right click and extract all. Okay, okay. Now extract it. Okay. Now select this itext folder. Okay, now Control A and okay, apply and close. Okay. And here right click and the build path, configure build path, class path, add jars. So that file we have downloaded. Now add we will add here. Okay, this jar mail, this file we will add in the open and apply and close. Okay, now go to the our package. This is our package and class, add and create new class. Here I'm giving the name like send mail. Okay, now add public static void mail. Finish. Our class has created. Now first we need Gmail app password. So also we have to create Gmail password. Okay, so first of all go to the Gmail, our Gmail account. Okay, we have to log in our Gmail account. This is my Gmail account, and now go to the manage your account. Okay. Now here go to the security. Okay. Now come down, and here you can see two-step verification. Go to the arrow. Here you have to check your Gmail ID and password. Okay. Now next. So basically this. So here we are login our uh, Google account. Okay. Now come down, and here you can see app password. So click on this arrow. Now give the name like test. Okay. Now create. Now you can see this is the our password. This is the app password, Google account app password. So we will use this, and this is the very important. So copy and keep aside. Okay. Aside. So here I paste here. Now go to the Eclipse, and here first of all we will create variable string post equal to. So here we have to give the uh, host name. So here I am using Gmail account. Then smtp dot gmail.com. Okay. Now in the end, semicolon. Now here I'm creating another variable. This is for port. Port. Here we have to give the port number. Our port number is 587. Okay. The end, semicolon. Now enter. Here I am creating a variable for user ID and password. So here we will use same password that just we have created in Google account app password. Okay, so please remember we have to use, we don't have use our Gmail password, we have to use just created Google account app password. So here same password we have to use here. Final string equal to, here I am using my Gmail account. Now in the end semicolon and enter. Okay, string. So here I'm not giving the username. So here I give the username. So this is the our variable. Okay. Now done. Now again final string. Okay. Now this is the our password. So here I'm giving the variable name as a password. Okay. Now here same password we will use. This is the our password just we have created. Okay. So don't forget this is the very important like now write properties. Here I'm creating property variable also is equal to new properties. Okay, new properties, and in the end, this is parenthesis. We have to use and semicolon. Okay, now hover this. Now when you hover this properties, here you can see. So we have to import properties. Okay, now next step is we will write here. We will declare our um, credential. We can say okay, so properties, our variable properties dot put. Okay, now we will use mail dot smtp dot host. Okay, host. So already we have created a host variable. So here I'm using only variable. The end semicolon. Okay. Now again properties dot put. Okay. Now here we will use mail dot smtp dot port. Okay. And so here you can see already we have created a port variable and also we have declared value of port. Okay. So here I'm using port variable in the end semicolon. Okay. Now enter again properties dot put, and now in the double quotation we will write mail dot smtp and mail dot smtp dot auth. Okay. Now in the end, now here remove this property variable. Okay, here here I write true. The end semicolon. Now enter again properties dot put. Now quotation like mail dot start double T L S. Okay, turtles dot enable. Okay, now comma, and in the end we will remove this property variable and write here true. Okay, in the end semicolon. Now so here you can see here we will set up all the uh, credential. Okay, now write session. Here I'm creating session variable also equal to session. Okay, session dot get. You can see here that in get dot instance properties. So we will take this. Okay, now you can see properties comma. So here we will write properties, our variable properties variable. We will write here. Okay, properties new new authenticator. Okay, authenticator. Okay, so here we have to write capital A. Now in the end and curly braces. Okay, now enter. Here write protected. Okay, protected not uh, space, write password, password authentication. Okay, so here we have to write authentication. Authentication. Okay, now space get password authentication. Password authentication. Okay. Now parenthesis and curly braces. Okay, enter. And now you can see when we hover this authenticator, so we have to here you can see authenticator javax. So we will import this javax.mail. Okay, now enter, and here I'm write return new password authentication. Now here we will give the our user uh, name, this variable, and password variable. Okay, the name and password. Password. The end semicolon. Now when we hover this code, so we have to change it authentic Java X authentication. Now you can see in the end we will also okay. Now in the end we will put semicolon. Now you can see and contribute. So you can see properly. Now here we will write a message. Okay, so first of all we will take message class, message, and now here variable, message variable. Okay, now equal to new my message. Okay, message in the parenthesis will be our session variable, session and semicolon. Okay, right, message, this is our variable just created, dot set. here we will here we will creating a new message. Okay, that dot from new internet address, internet address to and from both side I am using the same ID also. Okay, now here, here. Okay. Now write message, message dot dot set receipts and here first write message dot receipt receipt type. Okay, now, now dot to comma internet address net. Okay, dot first first here we will use username because here we have to use two, both side I'm using our same ID only, the name. You can see address. Okay, now message dot display. Okay, now enter. Here like message dot set subject, subject, this one, enter, and here I'm giving the subject line, the test mail, okay, from Java. Also, I will use attachment. So here for our attachment, I have to write code, enter, and for attachment. So here I'm giving the command type for and code for attachment. Now enter. Now here write body, body part, creating a message variable message body part, message body parts. This is the this is my variable. Okay, message body part equal to new new mine mine body part. Okay, then this is in the end we will use, now we will use this variable only. Okay, so write message body part, this is your variable dot set the text. Okay, and here we will put the text. This is the body part. This is the body of our mail. Is the text. We enter, and now here I'm multi enter, right, multi part. Here I'm using, here I'm create now here I'm creating multi part variable variable equal to new multi part, new mine multi part. Okay, new mine multi part. Okay, parenthesis in the end. Now enter message body part, new message body part variable dot, sorry, equal to new new mine body part. Okay, mine body part, in part, the end, and here I'm creating a variable, the variable for our file name. Okay, so string that we will use as an attachment. File name equal to, here I'm giving the our attachment file name. So here I'm using this BAP table in CSV. In the last video, you have seen how to create CSV file. Okay, same name we will give like BAP table CSV. Okay, now in the end semicolon. Okay, we'll write file data source. It means this is the file. Okay, now source, I'm creating a variable like source equal to new file data source. Okay, in the end, parenthesis, and here I'm giving the file name variable. This variable we will use here. File name. In the end, semicolon. So, over this, now enter. Again, we will use message body part. Okay, and dot set data set data handler. Now here we will give the new data handler. Data handler. Okay. This is, and here we will use source or source variable. Okay. When you hover this data handler, you can see we will import this data handler Java activation. Here I am using javax activation. Now, that again we will give the our variable message uh, body part variable dot set file name set file name. Okay, here we will use our file like new file, this parenthesis we will give the our file name. So file name, this is the our variable. Okay, now in the end, dot get name. Okay, over this file and input file. Okay. Now enter, write multipart dot add body part. Add body part. It means here we will add the body. Okay, so this is the our body message body part variable. Okay, we will use your body part. Okay, in the end, so multipart dot add body part and message body part. Okay, now enter, write message. So this is the our message variable message dot set content. Okay, now here multipart multipart. Okay, now enter. In the last enter, write trans transport transport dot send message. Okay. So this is the our message variable. Now here I'm using system dot system dot out dot print, and I'm doing the print line print ln equal to print ln. Here I'm giving the message like a message sent successfully, mail sent successfully. Okay, in the end, semicolon. Okay, and now so this whole part I want to Add try catch. Okay. Now go on. Surround with catch block. Now you can see this catch. Try catch block. Add it. Now let's run and see. Right click and Java application. Now you can see mail sent successfully. Now go on Gmail and let's check. My Gmail. Now you can see the mail. Also you can see the time. Okay. But then attachment. Now you can see the file. Your attachment. This is your attachment. Use. Hope you like the content of this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video. In that video, we will see integration. Till then, happy learning.